What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tasha back for another video. This is a little different. This is a drink video, not necessarily a cooking video, but it is something that's good for you. I'm trying to do better with my life, so I decided to share. This is it's called golden milk, which is basically like turmeric milk, cause turmeric has a lot of healing properties. It's anti-inflammatory. Y'all can Google all that. I'm not gonna go into all that. But this is the ingredients that I use. I have unsweetened or original almond milk. I have cinnamon sticks, or you can use regular ground cinnamon. I have ground turmeric, ground ginger, black pepper, coconut milk. I have coconut sugar, but I also have maple syrup. And I'm gonna tell y'all the recipe while I'm like putting this together, so y'all bear with me. You need a 1 1/2 cup coconut milk, which I need to open and do in a minute. 1 1/2 cup of the plain almond milk. 1 1/2 teaspoon of ground turmeric. A 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. 1 whole cinnamon stick. If you don't want to use a stick, you do a 1/4 teaspoon of ground. What is this shit? Right here, the ground cinnamon. And a tablespoon of coconut oil for richness. You can do that. You don't have to do that. I don't know if I'm gonna do the coconut oil because I ain't a coconut fan. We already got a lot of coconut shit over here. Just a pinch of black pepper, which helps activate the turmeric. And then a sweetener of your choice, which is where the coconut sugar comes in, or you could do the maple syrup or stevia. And then you're gonna add all this stuff to the pot, whisk it up together. You don't want to heat it till it's boiling, just till it's warm. And I think it makes like 2 mugs. You know, you can add more sweetener to get it how you want it. So let me put all this stuff in this pot and we're gonna whisk it together. Alright, y'all, so we back, and I've already fucked this up because it took me a while to mix this all together. I should have had it out first while I'm trying to do the video. But I got all the ingredients in here. I'm gonna mix it up really good, and then we gonna taste test. Y'all get first dibs, okay? Let me let this cook a little more, and I got y'all. Alright, y'all, so I tasted it. It got a little kick to it, so I ended up adding, I think I did like I did 2 tablespoons of the coconut sugar, and then I added like a glop of, I did maple syrup too, just to make sure it tastes good enough for me to be able to drink it. So we're gonna take this out and we're gonna put this in a mug, and I'm gonna give y'all the first sip, okay? So I made a whole ass mess, but it's fine. The pot I made was enough for 2 cups, so we're gonna try it and see. I'm gonna let y'all get the first dibs. Get all up in that. Get all up in that. I feel like this would be like cuter if you put like whipped cream or something on the top to make it look frothier or something. I don't know. But yeah, y'all hear your boy coming through. I'm trying to figure out how the hell to flip my camera with this on so that y'all can like actually see me take a sip. Excuse me. Let me hold on. It's alright. I'm here and I look busted, but I love y'all. Cheers. Good Lord. It's not bad, but it is still hot as hell. But I feel like I could drink a cup of that every so often. I think this is my first time making this, like, for y'all. So I need to have all my ingredients ready beforehand. So when I mix it, I got time to whisk it up good before it gets like really hot. Cause that turmeric clumps. That's what I'm like tasting a little bit. It clumps. But you definitely gonna have to add sweetener to that if you're not like used to eating like spices and stuff like that. But I've been making a lot of smoothies this week. If y'all want me to do a smoothie recipe, I could do that. Y'all let me know in the comments. But I appreciate y'all supporting your girl as usual. Guy, come here. Say hello. Say what's up. Hello. Hello, darkness, my old friend. There go y'all boy. But I'm going to get out of here. Thank y'all for the support, of course. And I'll catch y'all next time. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye.